Welcome back. You want to make some money? I do. So today I'm going to show you really quickly what I look for when I thrift shop or try and hustle and make some extra kind of cash. So I'll make this really quick. So today I went to the thrift shop or discount place and I found 5 of these just for men beard colored kits. And I'm thinking, oh, so I got it for 99 cents. And I'm thinking, okay, that's great. But what's it worth? This is how you can really find out what it's worth. So when you actually are looking to see the price, as you can see my screen, you just open up, we'll check out eBay, and then you look at the item, and once it comes up, sorry about the delay. So once it comes up, you're gonna see, once you type it in, here we go. Now, I'm gonna type in just for men, one day, and it's gonna come up and show me a bunch of stuff that looks just like what I got. So for 99 cents, you might be thinking, oh, they're selling it for 21.40, but that's not really what it's worth. What it's worth is what it's actually sold for. And to see that, what I do is scroll down if you're on a laptop or a computer. On the left-hand side, you're gonna see right here, sold items. And then it's going to take you to what actually sold. So this one sold for $14.99. And if you scroll down, $13.99, $12.55. You can get two of them sold for $12, $7, $15. And these two, identical product, $19.99, $18.99. And free shipping, and shipping like this, it's only 4 ounces, so it might be around $6, $7. But if you figure if you only spent 99 cents, you're still making a $10 profit per two of them that I bought. So if I bought 5, that could be $25 profit right there, minus the cost. So about $20 for really not doing much at all. So that's how you can actually tell what it's actually worth. Not what it's asking, that's not a value, but the green is what it's worth. And so that's what I do is I can snap it and see, I immediately go to sold items and see what people actually paid for it. And as you can see, it's a pretty easy way to find out anything. So I went ahead and posted this one to my eBay account. And remember, I bought 5 of them for 99 cents. So about $4.90 some cents. So if I go down to my listing, I posted them and as you knew, they were going for about 15 bucks a piece. So here's my posting. So I posted them for 59.99 or best offer. So if someone even offers me 40 bucks, uh, I'll take it and move on. And once you get that, you just ship it off and and they're paying shipping. So you'll make about $35, $40 profit that way. But if you're willing to just spend a little time and just take a little snapshot, always go to the sold items, and that's how you do it on a laptop. And on the phone, it's identical process. You just go to filter or sort, and you can make some really fast cash if you want to do that. And anything that you want, you just type it in and immediately go to sold items, not what it's asking, because I could ask $1 million for something that's worth $1. But you always want to see the true value, and that's what it's sold for. So I hope this video can kind of help you out. That's how I make a little extra cash. And like I said, for a $4.90 some cent investment, it's a very, very easy process. And you could scale that as big as you want. And if you have any questions, please subscribe, comment. I'd be happy to answer your questions. And thank you for watching. And I got more videos that I can make for this. And if you need anything at all, please don't hesitate to ask. And um, like I said, it's a very, very easy process. Always go to sold items. And if you go to buy something and you see the price, you're thinking, I'm getting such a good deal, but that's the asking price. Doesn't mean it's sold, because you're not making any money until you sell it. So I hope this video helped you out with kind of what to look for and compare it and to start making some money. And I'd love to hear your stories too. So like I said, subscribe, like, comment, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment and I'll make some more videos of this and I'll keep you updated when this thing sells and show you the profit margin. So, thank you.